Welcome back po sa Men of Light. Ito po si Father Deo Galang. Bumabati po sa inyong lahat.
At ito po si Bishop Ambo David. Kamusta po kayong lahat, mga kapanalig, mga parokya?
Ako lang po si Father Ching. Meron na pong boses.
Okay.
Salamat sa Diyos.
Salamat, Ching. Alam niyo po, si Father Ching pagod din kasi galing sa Baguio. Nagbigay po siya ng retreat sa ating mga seminarista.
Oh, okay.
So, we're very happy. Father Ching is very...
Anong batch ito?
Sa mga pre-college natin. Sa mga... Mirador, sa mga
That's the Jesuit house. Yeah.
Jesuit house. Okay. So, Father Ching, thank you very much.
Salamat din po.
And nasa Santo Niño Sunday po tayo. And don't be surprised na kung minsan yung gospel natin for the regular international lectionary hindi po pareho ng because it's a peculiar, particular special privilege ng Pilipinas na magkaroon ng Santo Niño Sunday. Gospels are for this celebration.
In spite of the fact that Santo Niño comes from Prague.
Oh, yeah. And ito pong ating celebration ngayon, tignan natin sa punto ng pagiging forever young. Talagang espiritu ng isang bata na nananatili sa atin. At hindi lumilipas kahit na pumuputi na yung buhok, medyo tumatanda at marami ng sakit. May we have the spirit of the youthful Jesus. Kasi naniniwala po tayo dito sa Gospel from Luke chapter 2:41 to 52, Jesus is in the synagogue, in the temple, asking questions. Nagtatanong. Siguro, naranasan nyo na po yung meron kayong apo, meron kayong inaanak, may bata sa yung nagtanong sila tapos di masagot-sagot.
Parang kids say the darnest things.
Yes, so,
they also ask the darnest things.
Questions. No?
Although kanina, Father Deo, nabanggit mo na ang kadialog niya yung mga Pharisees, hindi mga priests.
Ay, sorry.
Pharisees. They were priests in the temple.
Priests, yes.
The priests in the temple.
Oo, mas maano po yun. Kasi templo to, hindi lang sinagoga.
Yeah.
Ito po yung inuuwian nila every year na fiesta. And ito pong selebrasyon ng Santo Niño, sana mag-focus tayo sa inosenteng mga tanong ng mga bata.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nga, it comes from a sense of wonder.
Yeah.
Lumaki po tayo kasi sa struktura ng pag-aaral, a paradigm in education or learning na ang structure ang teacher ang may tanong, ikaw ang sumasagot. Ganon yung exam natin. May tanong, bilang estudyante, sinasagot mo.
Yes.
Magaling ka na estudyante pag magaling kang sumagot sa mga tanong. Pero gusto po nating ibaligtad, pwede kayang magiging magaling ka ring estudyante kung magaling kang magtanong.
Yes.
That as you graduate, you do not only know the right answers, but you also know how to ask the right questions.
Yeah.
And I think that is more sustainable in terms of a lifetime experience of learning and education. Di ba, Father Ching?
At sana maging malawak yung mga teachers kasi pag yung estudyante naman medyo marunong magtanong, parang natetreten naman yung natetreten.
That's true.
Yeah.
Sa tingin ko nga, kahit sa bahay, we were never trained to ask questions. Even to ask sensible and right questions.
Yeah.
To explore and to wonder. Parang we are already cut, no? Parang wag kang makulit. Wag kang magtanong, wag kang pilosopo. Parang ganun eh. I think even philosophy itself, sabi nga ni Father John, yung ating director, na it starts with question.
Yeah.
Asking why.
Yung sa Tagalog, yung salitang question, kino-question mo ba ako?
Yun,
parang ganun.
Parang
negative ang dating.
Parang kino-question mo authority ko. Parang ganun.
When I was a student sa college, yung isa sa favorite teachers ko, yung si Father Roque Ferriol sa philosophy. Yan, bukang bibig niya yan. Ang sabi niya, para sa akin, ang isang mabuting estudyante, marunong magtanong, sabi niya. At yung nagtataka.
Wonder.
Wag mawawala sa atin ang kakayang magtataka. Kasi yung pagtataka, yun ang magbubunsod ng pagtatanong.
At paghahanap ng sagot.
Kasi humihingi ng kababaang loob ang pagtatanong
Opo.
Kailangan mong aminin, hindi mo alam.
Merong bagay-bagay na hindi ko alam, kaya tulungan mo
kung minsan, out of pride, you don't ask questions also. Di ba? Kay Mr. magtanong, sabi nga.
Diba? Typical yan. Any question, children?
Wala.
Walang gustong magtanong.
Usually, silence means parang okay lang, gano'n eh. We have that culture of silence. We never
Pero pag
ask
lumabas na, Sana
ang daming tanong. Kahit sa parokya, kumisan nag-meeting. Kumisan sa parokya, ganyan din. Sa mga church organization, magmi-meeting, walang tanong. Sabi pa, wala. Pero pagkaalis, pagkatapos, in the wrong forum, sa corridor pa uwi, we ask a lot of questions.
Yes.
And they will never be answered because we never had the strength to ask
That's
these
right.
questions.
Isa sa mga problema natin is when we begin to take a lot of things for granted.
Yes.
Para bang statement of fact na yan. Kaya habang tumatanda yung tao, parang they ask less and less questions. Parang taken for granted na yan. Parang ganun. You don't ask anymore.
Ako nga, ang tingin ko, Bishop, Father Ching, yung buong buhay ni Kristo, yung ministry niya, yung mga, kahit tumanda na siya from the temple asking the priest, he continuously asked the institutional Jewish religion when he talked about the Samaritan, the Good Samaritan. He was questioning these Levites and other people who served the temple, and they pass by, people in need. That's a big question mark. That sometimes the institutional religion that time cannot answer. Yung story of the prodigal son is also questioning the righteous elder brother. It is a question, did he forgive or not forgive? Ang dami po, no? Even when he turned around yung mga business, mga tindahan at mga pinagtutumba niya, because that is the way of life sa templo. Unjust and maraming naabuso. When he pushed all of this around, he was actually questioning that kind of ugali at parang tradition. And the whole ministry of Jesus, it started with this gospel. He kept that kind of, parang nag-mature pa yung question niya up to the point maybe it was too much.
That's why they got rid of him.
That's why they silenced him.
They silenced him,
Di ba yung sinabi ni Caiaphas noon, yung mas magandang mamatay lang isang tao kaysa yung magulo yun.
They sacrificed him. Because
mas madali yun, mas madali.
He, in a sense, instigated more questions to be asked. Even the gospel, minsang Friday na yung gospel ng leper, yung mga traditional priest and rabbi, they push the lepers away. They signify a safe distance. They render them unclean. They pronounce them. But Jesus questioned that by reaching out and healing. I do will it. He was actually, while doing something positive, he was also questioning the tradition and yung way of life ng religion noon.
In many ways, he was making a statement. Yung statement niya is also putting into question yung institution.
The way.
Nakaugalian. Kasi kung minsan pag sinabi natin, yun ang nakaugalian Yun yung nakasanayan Kaya ang hirap baguhin.
Yung culture of silence.
You just take it. Parang take it all hook, line, and sinker.
Alam niyo.
Pero Jesus didn't just take it. Kung minsan, he asked very basic questions. Para siyang bata. Parang bata na, bakit? Ang ganun. Katulad yung teatro, yung binanggit mo doon tungkol sa bata about gravity.
Macho, do not stand there. Sabi ko, you will fall. Why? Because you will fall. Why will I fall? Because of gravity. What is gravity? You ask Newton. You ask you ask the science. Parang hirap sagutin na mga tanong na mga bata.
Pero yung dapat isagot na.
Sabi lang ako, dapat you just talk to them like a child also. Masasaktan ka, pupuk-puk yung ulo mo. Ganun na lang. Do not. Pero ito po sana, just to close this part na sinisignalan na po tayo sa oras, sa first part natin na sana pag tumanda tayo, like tayo tumatanda, marami na tayong takot, marami tayong konsiderasyon, at marami tayong agam-agam na hindi na tayo nagtatanong. Up to the point we lose the child in us. We're no longer young pag marami na tayong malisya, sa pagtatanong, baka masamain nila, baka nung gawin nila sa negosyo ko, baka ako rin questionin, Then, we lose that spirit of being forever young. Kaya po magbabalik po ang Men of Light, we will discuss and push this questioning into another level when, like a child, we're not afraid to lose anything. Babalik po ang Men of Light.